Hey guys, I'm coming on here a little bit different today because as you can probably see, my hair is in a crazy mess, and basically I went on vacation, had a wonderful time, but the day I washed my hair it was such a rush, so I didn't have time to detangle it. I literally did my hair like in 20 minutes, and generally 20 minutes is the amount of time that it takes to detangle my hair. So I haven't combed out my hair in about, I would say, over 2 weeks, so it's very matted. It feels like straw, so I'm just going to give it some TLC, do a mask. So if you want to see my transformation, then just keep on watching. I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb, and then I'm going to be parting my hair into very small sections because I don't want any breakage, and I'll be using some scrunchies and some hair clips, and I will be spraying my hair with some water, and there is also some leave-in conditioner in there, and I do have a DIY detangler video, so I'll leave a link for that down below. And then I will be using some castor oil, and then I'll be using the Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treats, and this is just a 1-minute hair mask, and this one has coconut extract. And then lastly, to wash my hair, I'll be using the Garnier Fructis, and this is the Whole Blends Honey Treasures, and this also is supposed to heal and protect, and it doesn't have any parabens. And this is also a sulfate shampoo, and I just want to make sure that I get a very good deep clean, because when I was in the water, I don't know if it was because it was salt water or if sand got in my hair, but there were these little residue flakes when I was styling my hair. So I just want to just make sure that I'm working with a clean slate and that all that residue is completely gone. So that's what I'll be using, and then I'll be styling my hair. To start off, I'm going to divide my hair in half, and I'm going to tie up the top section. Then using my wide tooth comb, I'm going to part it into smaller sections, which will make it easier for detangling. Next, using my detangler, I'm going to spray my hair all over, and then I just smooth it through. Then I take some castor oil and I apply some to my hair for more slip. Next, I apply some of the Garnier hair treats, and this treatment made my hair easy to work with, and it left it feeling very soft. And then lastly, I'm going to be using my wide tooth comb, and I detangle from the ends, and then I work my way up. So I continue doing the same method to the rest of my hair, and I just part a small section, I spray it, add oil, apply the treatment, and detangle from the ends and work my way up to the roots. Normally I detangle my hair in the shower, but this method works really great if your hair is matted and needs a little extra TLC. And when doing this, I experienced very little breakage. I just had my normal shedding, and with these products, it left my hair feeling smooth and very hydrated. Now that my hair is tangled, it looks and it feels a whole lot better. So what I'm going to do is leave on the mask for about 10 to 20 minutes, and I'm going to do a face mask as well. And this one is from the Body Shop, and it's a tea tree oil 3-in-1 wash scrub mask, and this does a really great job of refreshing my skin. It helps to take out any impurities, and it leaves my skin looking healthy and clean. After I'm done applying it, I'm going to put on my shower cap and relax. For watching, and hope you found this to be helpful. If you want any more information, just check the description box below, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.